Are you a combined student and you've never seen this symbol before, right? That's because it's really not taught very often, because before they never really asked you about megajoules. Before, they've always asked you about kilojoules or kilometers, or they've asked you about millijoules or milliamps or millimeters. They've never really asked you about any of the other unit conversions before. But the last 2 years, they started to bring them in more, where they're asking maybe multiple choice questions about identifying which is bigger or which is smaller. Triple, you need to know this. So if I was combined, I'm thinking, how do I learn this? What that is a megajoule. Same way if I think about a megameter, okay? So mega is massive, okay? So mega is thinking about, I would think about megabucks, okay? So that's megabucks is money. It's a million, okay? So $1,000,000. So mega is 1 million, or 1 with 6 zeros. Okay, so what you're doing is you're taking 1 joule, but you're multiplying by a million. So 1 megajoule is equal to 1 million joules. And I can't count because that's not 6 zeros. Is equal to 1 million joules. Another way to write that is you take your 1 and you move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places bigger. So it's the same as 1 times 10 to the power of 6 joules. Other ones to be aware of, gigajoules. Think about a gigabyte of data. It's even bigger than a megabyte of data. So 1 gigajoule is even bigger, okay? 1 giga is bigger than 1 times 10 to the power of 6. It's 1 giga is actually 1 times 10 to the power of 9 joules. Or you might say a gigameter or a gigaamp. And that means 1 with 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 joules, okay? Kilometer, you already know about. If I have 1 kilojoule, you know, it means I've got 1,000 joules. Another way to write that is 1, 3 places bigger. So 1 times 10 to the power of 3. So you can see a pattern, right? Kilojoules is 3, megajoules is 6, gigajoules is 9. 3, 6, 9. Okay. The other way you need to know about is the smaller ones. Smaller ones like a millijoule or a milliamp or a millimeter you've seen before. We know that a millipede's got 1,000 legs. There's 1,000 millimeters inside 1 meter. So to get from millimeter into meter, what you do there is you divide by 1,000. So clearly a millimeter is much smaller. So a millimeter is going to be something divided by 1,000. So we divide it by 1,000. 1 millimeter actually ends up being 0.001 meter. You divide it by 10, 100, 1,000. Or if you look at it, you took 1 and moved it 1, 2, 3 places smaller. 1 times 10 to the power -3 meters. So again, you can see that 3 comes in. Kilojoules is times 10 to the power 3 bigger. Millijoules or millimeters is times 10 to the -3 smaller. The next one, you